Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video we're going to be going over default arguments. First I should explain to you what an argument is, and you've actually been using them. I haven't been using the technical name for them up to this point, but now that we're here we're going to start using the technical name, which is argument. So if we define a function, like when we did the F to C, and we put this temp in here, that temp is the argument. So if we want to do a default argument, like let's say we want to have it available, say you're writing a program and you're writing something where they can choose different colors. Now the default color for the item is blue, but they can also get it in red or green. This is how we could do it. We could do default colors, and then we could do let's do default get color, and then put color equals blue. Now we can use the if statements that we learned before and put if color is R, and I'll explain this here shortly. Color equals red. Elif color is G. Color equals green. Print color. Now, what I'm going to do now with this function is I'm going to show you three different things. If I put get color, let me put this up a line here. Do that. Okay. Get color, and I put here in quotes R. Get color G, get color, and put nothing. Let's see what the result is. Red, green, and blue. So let me explain this further. So basically what we're doing here with this color equals blue is we're setting that as the default argument. So if I would just run the function and I wouldn't give it an argument at all inside the parentheses, it's automatically going to default to blue. However, if I make it so that it's R, which is what this if statement is covering here, if color is R, and I put it in the double quotes right here, you can also use single quotes, but I used double quotes this time. But since I used get color R, well, the if statement says if color is R, then color equals red, and then it prints color, so that's why I printed red. Same thing here, get color G, so it checks L if color is G, then the color equals green, print color, so that's why I printed green. So the red and the green were handled by the if statements, and then because I didn't put any arguments in the parentheses here, it just defaulted back to blue. Alrighty, so now you know what these are called. The technical term are arguments, and now you know about default arguments and how to also check and see if there's something else and set them to be something else. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.